Hello, this is BMX Moneymaker, and today I'm going to show you guys how to load up the Colt Defender air gun, not airsoft, because I got corrected on a video that it's not an airsoft gun, it's an air gun. So let's start by flipping the gun over, and see this button, you got to push that to move the grip over. Then you flip it over, and there will be this spring thing, and you pull it all the way down. I don't have a lot of time, so let me do this quick. Pull all the way down, get your BBs, and 20%, I don't care. I need something to hold it up. I'm just use the sock that's on the table for some reason. Alright. So I'm just gonna fill it up. Just pour it into the pit right there. Ah, this is terrible. Okay, some of them fell. So I'm just gonna use those ones. Grab this. Okay, so after you fill it up, you push this thing to the right, and you close this back up. That's how to load a Colt Defender. And if you guys have any questions about the Colt Defender, just ask me, message me. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to my sister Michaela, which will not be shown. Okay. Alright, thank you for letting me use your iPod.
Liar.
Alright, so